Hey there, tech enthusiasts. I'm Malachi Greb, the CEO of Elite Automation and your host on the MG channel. Today, I've got stealthy updates from Tesla's ever-evolving world of autonomy that's got owners buzzing about a quiet hardware revolution slipping into vehicles without a single announcement. Let's dive right in. Tesla has quietly rolled out hardware 4.5, or AI 4.5 as it's also known, in select 2026 Model Y vehicles, featuring an upgraded 3-chip design, for even more processing power and dedicated to advancing self-driving tech. This interim upgrade bridges the gap to the upcoming AI5 with enhanced compute capabilities like better redundancy and neural network handling, all while keeping things efficient for electric vehicle constraints. Owners are spotting it through subtle clues, like a label under the glove box reading AP4.5 or similar, with part numbers such as 226133602A or 2261336S2A, or even a black bordered front camera housing. That's a dead giveaway on the exterior. Deliveries kicked off from Giga Texas around late December 2025. Think builds as early as December 18th to 26th, and later from the Fremont factory, showing up in January 2026 models. But here's the twist. Not every car is getting it. Early performance buyers like DJ and Dennis CW ended up with the standard HW4, while lucky ones like Brandon and Jeremiah scored the AI 4.5 upgrade, highlighting Tesla's rapid, unannounced tweaks that thrill some owners, but leave others frantically checking tags at delivery, paired with other 2026 updates like a revised 16-inch center display. This move shows Tesla's commitment to pushing hardware boundaries, ensuring their fleet stays ahead in the autonomy race without leaving older models behind. Thanks to clever software workarounds and recent patents, from quiet rollouts to boosted FSD power, Tesla keeps innovating at warp speed. What do you think? Will AI 4.5 make a noticeable difference in your daily drive? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. That's all for this episode. If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe for more MG news on cutting-edge automation and tech breakthroughs.